Find L inverse of 1 upon s square plus 9 into s plus 3 by using convolution theorem. So solution, first of all write down this question. L inverse of 1 upon s square plus 9 into s plus 3. See, we can solve this by using convolution. Convolution theorem is L inverse of f bar s into g bar s is equal to f of t convolution into g of t. This is the convolution. So f of t convolution g of t. Formula is f of t convolution of g of t is equal to integral 0 to t f of u into g of t minus u du. This is the convolution formula. See, first of all we can convert the given data is like this. L inverse of 1 upon s square plus 9 into 1 by s plus 3. See, this is, compare these two. L inverse of f bar s, this is the f bar s, into this is g bar s. So second one is g bar s. So therefore f bar s is equal to 1 by s square plus 9 and g bar s is equal to 1 by s plus 3. Now apply L inverse. L inverse of f bar s is equal to L inverse of 1 by s square plus 9. Same here also, L inverse of g bar s is equal to L inverse of g bar value is 1 by s plus 3. We know that L inverse of 1 by s square plus a square. This is the formula of L inverse of 1 by s square plus a square is equal to 1 by a sin at. If we compare these two, a is equal to 3. At the same time, L inverse of 1 by s plus a is equal to e to the power of minus at. If we compare these two, here a is equal to 3. So substitute in the formula, that is equal to L inverse of 1 by s square 9, we can write 3 square is equal to 1 by a sin 8. A is equal to 3. So 1 by 3 sin 3t. This is called f of t. And this one, L inverse of 1 by s plus 3 is equal to, formula is e to the power of minus 8. A is equal to 3. So e to the power of minus 3t. See, this is called of g of t. Now formula, convolution theorem formula. Convolution theorem is f of t convolution of g of t is equal to integral 0 to t f of u into g of t minus u du. We know that f of t, this is the f of t, and g of t, this is the g of t. Substitute in the formula, that is equal to L inverse of f bar s into g bar s is equal to integral 0 to t f of u, but here t, so 1 by 3 sin t, but here in the formula we have u, so substitute t is equal to u. Here is t, so 1 by 3 sin 3 into u into g of t minus u. Here substitute t is equal to t minus u in the second one. So this is g of u. G of t value is e to the power of minus 3 into t, but t value is t minus u. T minus u, substitute here t minus u into du. That is equal to 1 by 3 is constant, take it outside, integral 0 to t sine 3u into e to the power of multiply minus 3 into t minus 3t, minus into minus plus 3u du. We know that a to the power of m plus n is equal to a to the power of m into a to the power of n. The same way here also 1 by 3 integral 0 to t sine 3u into e to the power of minus 3t into e to the power of 3u du. Apply this formula. See here derivative is u. This e to the power of minus 3t, this is the constant, so taking common. That is equal to 1 by 3. This is the constant value, taking common e to the power of minus 3t is constant, integral of 0 to t sine 3u into e to the power of 3u du. So this is the formula of integral of e to the power of ax sine bx dx is equal to e to the power of ax by a square plus b square into a sine bx minus b cos bx. This is the formula of this one. So if we compare these two, here e to the power of ax, here is e to the power of 3 into u, so a is equal to 3. Next sine bx, here sine 3 into u, so b is equal to also 3. A is equal to 3, b is equal to 3. Substitute in the formula. That is equal to integral 0 to t. Before that this is multiplied by 1 by 3. 1 by 3 e to the power of minus 3t into, write down the square as it is, e sine 3u into e to the power of 3u du, which is equal to 1 into e to the power of minus 3t is e to the power of minus 3t by 3 whole into, substitute in the formula, e to the power of ax, a is equal to 3, p is equal to, so e to the power of 3u by a square plus b square, both are equal, so this is 9 plus 9 into a sine bx 3 sine 3u minus b 3 cos 3u, that is equal to e to the power of minus 3t by 3 into e to the power of, the limits are 0 to t. Now this is e to the power of 3u by 18 into, here 3 is common, taking 3 common, sine 3u minus cos 3u. The limits are 0 to t. See 3 ones are 3 gets cancelled. Remaining is e to the power of minus 3t by 18 common. Now substitute upper limit here. E to the power of 3 into t sine 3t minus cos 3t minus, substitute the lower limit here, e to the power of 3 into 0 into sine 3 into 0 minus cos 3 into 0, that is equal to e to the power of minus 3t by 18 whole into e to the power of 3t into sine 3t minus cos 3t minus e to the power of 3 into 0 is 0, So e power 0 is 1. 1 into sine 3 into 0, this is 0, minus cos 3 into 0, this is 1. We know that sine of 0 is equal to 0 and cos of 0 is equal to 1. Now which is equal to e power minus 3t by 18 into e power 3t into sine 3t minus cos 3t minus, see here 0 minus 1 is minus 1, minus into minus plus 1, that is equal to e power minus 3t by 18 into e to the power of 3t into sine 3t minus e power 3t into cos 3t, e power 3t into cos 3t plus 1. This is the answer.